Hello all, welcome to TechHorizonHub. In this detailed series for IBM Cloud Satellite for IBM Storage Fusion, in the part 1, we have covered the dependencies needed before we start. In the part 2, we have gone through detailed steps to create location on IBM Cloud. We have downloaded the host attach script and understood the script in detail in our part 2 video of the series. This is how the host attach script looks like. In this part of the series, we will deploy compute hosts to the location we created on IBM Cloud Satellite, and then verify our hosts in the IBM Cloud Satellite location. Let us start with deploying compute hosts. The link provided here has very detailed documentation. Log in to IBM Storage Fusion. Click on Cloud Satellite. You would see all the deployed hosts in a table format. Now let us use Deploy Hosts option to deploy the hosts. Follow the tiles and provide the information as detailed in the documentation. There are several templates to choose from for our hosts. Fill the IP address and network configuration. VLAN ID is the VLAN we created during part 1 of the series. Now let us create the user. Now we will move forward to the Location Registration tab. This is where we attach the host attach script we download from IBM Cloud after created location. Let us review all the values entered and then click on Finish. We will see a new entry here. We have so far completed deploying compute hosts to the location. In the next step we will verify the deployed hosts. We can start with checking for the virtual machines created in the namespace we have mentioned during hosts creation. We can also check the status of the pods in the same namespace. This process would take some time, usually 20 minutes for all the VMs to be up and running and also install the dependencies. We can also check the custom resource created and its values to make sure there are no errors. Once all the virtual machines are up and running, we would see the status as running. We could log into any of the virtual machine and see the progress. There are several dependencies that gets installed. It also attaches and executes the host attach script we uploaded. Once the host is successfully attached, we see the status at the end. Now on the IBM Cloud Satellite location we see all the hosts created on IBM Storage Fusion are attached and visible. This concludes our part 3 video covering compute hosts deployment and the verification of the same. In the upcoming video we would cover in detail on how to assign hosts to satellite control plane and then install OpenShift cluster. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.